Students, welcome back to social studies. As what all we studied about previous class about winter, right? In which month the winter season will be start, December and January, right? Yes, as well as which all the clothes we'll wear. Yes, we will wear woolen cloths and warm cloths, right? Yes, and how the day will be. The day will be shorter, the night will be longer, right? Yes. Next, everybody open a page number 26. Page number 26. Color the picture of woolen you you use in the winter season and name them. Explain how get the warm from the ship and bring the both kids the clothes like cotton and the wool. Let us the children touch and feel about the differentiate between them. Also share how the woolen clothes and different form of the cotton clothes. Okay, those and all we can't show present, but I'm damn sure if the one school starts I will show those. Okay, now we'll see. See children, color the picture. What you have to do, this will be your homework. Make sure what you have to do, you have to color those pictures. Okay, yes, we'll see. What is this? Yes, this is sweater, right? When you wear the sweater? Yes, when we feel like cold, right? Yes, what mama will say? Yes, today is too cold. Wear the sweater and be warm, she'll say, right? Yes, what is this? Sweater. Sweater. Okay, yes. And what is this? Yes, this is woolen cap. Even though this also will wear it. Yes, at the winter. Okay. Yes. Woolen cap. And what is this? Muffler, right? What we can call it? Muffler. And what is this? Coat, right? And what is this? Shoes, right? What is this? Shoes. As well as what is this? Yes, gloves. What you have to do, children? Make sure this will be your homework. Just go through the homeworks, okay? Yes. Next we'll see page number 27. Yes, we'll see a short list of winter vegetables and fruits. You may use the list given above. Discuss which foods and drinks people normally like to have in the winter season. Yes, obviously. We'll see now winter vegetables and winter fruits. What we can see? Winter vegetables and winter fruits. Cabbage is winter vegetable. And which is the winter vegetable? Cauliflower, right? Yes. Cauliflower. Okay. This is nothing but winter vegetable. Okay. Yes. Next we'll see. Guava is winter fruit. Peas, which we can consider peas. Peas is also a winter vegetable. Okay. Yes. And winter fruit, guava. Which is winter fruit? Guava. And which is winter another fruit? Pears. What all we got through know? What is winter vegetable as well as winter fruit, right? Yes. And those and all, it will grow at the winter seasons. Cabbage, cauliflower, peas, apple, guava and pear. As well as what all the food and drinking the people says. The people like to drink very warm. They usually want to be warm. So they like to drink warm coffee, warm tea, warm water, warm milk, warm food, right? Because they can't have At the winter season, cold foods. They like to have hot. Okay. Recipe of a gajar ka halwa. Oh, so nice. How many are like that halwa, carrot halwa? Everybody? Okay, we'll see how we can prepare it. Ingredient: 1 kg of carrot, 1 liter of milk, and 1 tablespoon of, yes, cardamom seeds, and 3 by 4 cup of water, and 3 tablespoon of ghee, and 2 tablespoon of renaissance, and 2 tablespoon of almond, and 2 tablespoon of, yes, pitachoos, and 450 grams of sugar. And discuss the recipe of gajar ka halwa given below. Discuss all the words and their meaning. Let them children relate that recipe in their own words. As first you do this, then this, etc. Follow the recipe given above for making gajar ka halwa with the help of the children. Yes, obviously. What first we have to do? We have to take ingredients. What all the ingredients we need to make that gajar halwa? Carrot, milk, elachi, water, ghee, and badam, almond, pista, like that ingredients. What all the dry fruits we can consider as dry fruits, as well as sugar. We need such items. How we can prepare? We'll see. Wash and grind the carrot. First what we have to do? Wash that carrot. After that, soak the renaissance in water for 30 minutes. Okay. And shred the nuts. The renaissance, what all we will put dry fruits, we have to soak for 30 minutes in water. And put the water to boil. And when it started to boil, add the grated carrot. Cook for 5 to 7 minutes. Add milk. Yes, what we have to do? We should keep that boiling water. When it started to boil, whichever we grated that carrot, we have to put that. Later on, 5 to 7 minutes we have to boil in that boiling water that carrot. After that, add the milk and cook on the low flame for 1 hour. Stir it constantly. What we have to do? We have to put milk and we have to keep that low flame, and we have to keep stirring for 1 hour. Later on, add the sugar, mix it well, cook until that get dissolves, all the milk has been absorbed. The sugar, milk, each and everything, the carrot should be absorbed. Until that, it should be on stove. Later on, add the ghee and simmer to 2 to 3 minutes and crush that caramel powder and renaissance. Mix it well, remove the heat, average in serving dish. Crush with almond and pista. Serve cold, hot at room temperature. Wow, my mouth is watering, right? How the gajar halwa will be, how the carrot halwa will be. Yes, after that absorbing that all the milk, what we have to put? We have to take for on 2 tablespoon of ghee, and we have to heat, like similarly we have to heat, and all the dry fruits we can put, or else as your wish, and just we should pour upon that carrot halwa. After that, off the stove and keep that serving dish. How it will be? Ask to mama. Okay. Yes. Next, we got to know how the gajar halwa will prepare. Yes, this will be your homework, students. What you have to do? You have to color those pictures. Okay, I'll wind up the class now. We'll see what all the flowers will grow in winter season at next class. Okay, bye students. Meet you up at the next class.